So yum. Simple and good.
Hi! Today we're gonna cook simple pork Bee Hoon. So the ingredients is rice vermicelli or Bee Hoon, soy sauce, fish sauce, cooking oil, and we're using this pork stew, canned pork stew, then some shallots, garlic, and some vegetables. In this case, this is baby bokchoy. So first we need to boil a pot of water for us to soak the vermicelli. And while we are waiting for the water to come to a boil, we'll chop the shallots, garlic, and the baby bok choy. So we'll chop the baby bok choy. Cut them smaller. Okay, the vegetables has already been chopped into smaller pieces. Okay, now the vegetables have been cut into smaller pieces. Then I'll chop some shallots and garlic. Oops, there's a vegetable here. Okay, so the shallots and garlic and the vegetables have been nicely chopped, so we are going to boil the vermicelli now. The water is coming to a boil, so rice vermicelli. This will take a while until they are softened. Then after that, we're going to drain them and start cooking the pork. Okay, so the rice noodles have already been drained. Then now we're going to cook the pork Bee Hoon. Turn on the stove. Cooking oil, shallots. Lots of shallots. Garlic. stirring. Another fire. Make sure they don't burn. Just go around it. For the garlic to brown. Put it focus further away. Okay, now I can add the pork stew. Stewed pork. Pour the whole thing. All the sauce, break them to pieces. These are quite soft already. This one's good. Okay, then get your vegetable. Break the pork as much as you can. Okay, my ladle is not strong. Oh, there you go. Break the pork. Break the pork. Then you can add your Bee Hoon or rice noodle. Oh, quite hot. Okay. I'll just add the whole thing in. And stir them. Then this time you can add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, and just need to keep stirring until the noodles soak up all the sauce. Okay, this has been stirred evenly, so just give it a taste, see whether it's salty enough. yummy with the pork. It's good, but it's not too salty. So I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce. The flavor of the pork is so yummy. This may look like plain Bee Hoon, but it's very tasty because of the pork stew. And we are done. Okay, now it's time to enjoy the rice noodles. Okay, take some vegetables with the pork. So yum. Simple and good. Some grape juice. Salty Bee Hoon and sweet grape juice. Perfect. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.